Today, we've got something truly thrilling to discuss: the PlayStation 6. That's right, the gaming world is abuzz with excitement, and we're here to bring you all the latest info and rumors. So sit back, relax, and let's delve into what we know about the upcoming PlayStation 6. Before we dive headfirst into the world of the PlayStation 6, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible history of the PlayStation and how it has evolved over the decades. Our journey began in 1994 when Sony unleashed the original PlayStation, revolutionizing the gaming world.
It's a deadly donut.
From the groundbreaking PlayStation 1 to the awe-inspiring PlayStation 5, each new generation pushed the boundaries of what gaming could be. But it's not just about the consoles, it's also about the unforgettable games that define the PlayStation experience. Titles like Final Fantasy VII, Metal Gear Solid, The Last of Us, and Uncharted have left an indelible mark on the gaming industry. The PlayStation legacy is a rich tapestry of epic adventures, innovation, and captivating storytelling, setting the stage for the much-anticipated PlayStation 6. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. What do we know about the PlayStation 6? We're going to delve deep into what's been revealed so far. To kick things off, we've been treated to awe-inspiring concept art. These visionary designs give us a tantalizing glimpse into what the PlayStation 6 might look like. With sleek and futuristic aesthetics, the concept art promises a console that's not only powerful but visually stunning. It's important to remember that these images represent a concept, not the final product, but they've already ignited our imaginations. When it comes to hardware, Sony has been keeping their cards close to their chest, but that hasn't stopped us from making some educated speculations. Expect a powerhouse of a processor, lightning-fast SSD storage, and support for 8K gaming. The PlayStation 6 is poised to redefine the gaming experience with breathtaking graphics and unparalleled performance. It's clear that Sony is committed to pushing the envelope with every new console release, and the PlayStation 6 is no exception. The prospect of backward compatibility is a feature that has gamers buzzing with excitement. While Sony has not officially confirmed it, there is a strong hope that the PlayStation 6 will offer this feature. If it does, it means you might be able to enjoy your extensive library of PS4 and PS5 games on the new console, preserving the memories and experiences you've collected over the years. But what's a PlayStation console without its exclusive titles? Let's delve into what we can expect on this front for the PlayStation 6. Prepare yourselves for a lineup of exclusive titles that are rumored to be nothing short of spectacular. Games like Horizon Zero Dawn 2, God of War Ragnarok, and Spider-Man 2 have gamers around the world on the edge of their seats. Sony's reputation for delivering epic story-driven adventures is unassailable, and the PlayStation 6 promises to uphold that tradition. Additionally, we're hearing whispers about the future of virtual reality or VR on the PlayStation 6. Sony's commitment to VR gaming has been evident with the PlayStation VR for the PS4 and the PSVR 2 for the PS5. The PlayStation 6 could play a pivotal role in the development of the metaverse, a virtual shared space where people can interact, work, and play. With advanced VR capabilities and powerful hardware, Sony might have paved the way for more immersive metaverse experiences, bringing the concept of virtual worlds closer to reality. Esports and competitive gaming are experiencing rapid growth, and the PlayStation 6 could be the catalyst for further expansion. With the new hardware performance capabilities, we might see the rise of more esports tournaments, not just in traditional console games, but also in the emerging world of VR and mixed reality esports. This could catapult competitive gaming to new heights. Moreover, cross-platform play has been an increasing trend, allowing gamers on different consoles to join forces in their favorite games. The PlayStation 6 is likely to continue to support this feature, enabling greater connectivity between players and erasing the boundaries that have traditionally separated console communities. Cross-platform play can unite gamers and create a sense of shared gaming culture. As we eagerly await the PS6, it's important to consider the evolution of features that have become synonymous with the PlayStation brand. These features have not only defined the gaming experience, but also set the standard for the industry as a whole. One of the standout features that has evolved over the years is the DualShock controller. From the original DualShock on the PlayStation 1, to the DualSense on the PlayStation 5, these controllers have introduced innovations such as haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and advanced motion sensing. With the PlayStation 6, we can only imagine what new enhancements and features Sony has in store for us. Another game-changing feature is the PlayStation Network, Sony's online gaming platform. The PlayStation Network has grown over the years to become a vibrant ecosystem for gamers, offering online multiplayer digital game purchases and a library of free monthly games through PlayStation Plus. With the PlayStation 6, we can anticipate even more seamless online experiences and exclusive network features. With each new PlayStation generation, Sony has set a precedent for innovation, from introducing CDs with the PlayStation 1 to the inclusion of Blu-ray technology with the PlayStation 3. Sony has often been at the forefront of technological advancements in gaming. The PlayStation 6 is poised to continue this legacy, pushing the boundaries of what we can expect from consoles and setting new industry standards. The burning questions remain. When will the PlayStation 6 be available, and what will it cost? The release date remains shrouded in secrecy. However, industry experts have been speculating that the PlayStation 6 might make its grand entrance in late 2027. Gamers worldwide are eagerly hoping for an earlier release that will have them queuing up outside stores with bated breath. Previous generation consoles launched at prices between $400 and $500. It's not yet known what new hardware features or improvements the next-gen PlayStation will have that could affect its price. However, for now, we can assume that it would cost up to $600. Beyond gaming, the PlayStation 6 may have a significant impact on accessibility. Sony has already made strides in this area, focusing on features like customizable controllers and voice recognition. With the PlayStation 6, we can expect further innovation in accessibility, making gaming more inclusive for all, regardless of physical abilities, and ensuring that every gamer can enjoy the incredible experiences this console has to offer. While we're incredibly excited about the PlayStation 6, it's crucial to acknowledge potential drawbacks and challenges that might come with this highly anticipated console. Besides the premium price tag, the transition to digital gaming has many advantages. But it also poses challenges, as consoles like the PlayStation 6 shift towards digital distribution. Physical copies of games may become less prevalent. This might disappoint collectors and those who enjoy the tactile experience of owning a physical game. Additionally, it raises concerns about the longevity of games when digital storefronts eventually shut down. In conclusion, while the PlayStation 6 remains an enigma, it's undoubtedly on the horizon and poised to be a monumental leap in gaming technology. Remember, the PlayStation community is a unique and passionate family. As we eagerly await the arrival of the PlayStation 6, let's cherish the countless memories we've created with previous PlayStation consoles, and eagerly look forward to the new adventures we'll embark on together in the future. Thank you for joining us today. If you're as excited about the PlayStation 6 as we are, make sure to show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. Stay connected with us for all the latest updates on this incredible console. Until next time, happy gaming.